The light in your eyes comes over me just like a
Ang wish ko sa
sunrise.
aking
You
baby
said
Alex
I see
na
you turn
paglaki
in
mo,
my gray skies
masanuri,
blue,
may takot sa Diyos, at saka
just like you
very
always do.
helpful na baby.
I don't want anyone else, 'cause I know there's not anyone else that makes me feel the way you do. It's easy to prove I don't.
Happy birthday, baby Alex. We love you.
Happy first birthday, Alex! We love you!
Happy birthday, Alex. Alex, happy birthday. Wish ko sa iyo, sana matigas ang ulo. Oh, sige na, hindi huwag nang iyakin. Okay, happy birthday.
Love yan ni nanay na. Happy
Won't ever
birthday,
change.
Alex.
And no matter what,
Happy
I
birthday,
feel the same.
Alex.
Hold up the world for you.
Parang hirap na ako mag-conceive kasi sa age, kung baga in term is malnourished. Kahit anong gawin namin, hindi kami nakakabuo. Tapos ang ano sa amin is IVF na. Kaso nung tinoy namin, yun, nakakakuha naman. Nung una akala ko kapag nalaman kong buntis ako, yung iiyak ka, ganon. Nung time na yun, parang hindi ka pa makapaniwala ng 2 lines na, yung ganon. Yung, ano ba, bakit hindi ako makapagsalita, hindi ako makapag-react. Hindi ko alam kung sasabihin ko na sa kanya.
I don't want anyone else.
Birthday ko nun. Bali, hinintay niyang magano, January 15, 12 a.m. Pinakita niya sa akin yung ang tawag pregnancy test. Ayan, nakita ko, nagulat ako. Tapos ayan, ayun, masaya. Yung hindi na namin ina-expect na magkakaroon pa kami eh.
I don't want anyone else, 'cause I know there's not anyone else that makes me feel the way you do.
2004 yung naging kami. So, more than 20 years na kami in a relationship. So, nagpakasal lang kami late na. So, alam mo yung sanay ka na dalawa lang kayo. Pero ngayon, alam mo yung meron ka ng yung pag matutulog, tabi kayo. Ngayon, hindi na kami tabi. Siya nasa sala. Ako, kami dalawa nasa kama. Ganon.
Sobrang saya. Hindi nasaan na may tatawag na sa aking daddy, dada, ganyan. Kasi hindi ko na in-expect talaga eh.
Happy first birthday, baby Alex. Sana lumaki kang God-fearing, mabait, at lagi kang susunod kila mami and daddy mo. Love na love ka namin, baby Alex. Happy birthday.
Hello, baby Alex! Happy first birthday! You are God's sweetest gift to our lives. I pray that you will grow strong, healthy, and loved. Happy birthday! Love you!
Now it begins. This is gonna be a good day. Rolling on like the thunder, with open eyes, full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day.
Wala, hindi mo maaalala to. Pero sana pag nakita mo yung video, nakita mo yung mga pictures, makita mo yung effort ni mami sa ni daddy, it means na ganun ka namin kamahal.
You are the greatest gift. The greatest gift that I have in life. Be good. Mabait ka. Pinasaya mo ko. Siguro kami na binigyan mo ko ng opportunity. You gave me the opportunity to be a parent. Binigyan mo kami ng para maging parent. Nandito lang si daddy at si mami. Gagay ka namin. Be a good kid and be a great man.